AMH test for fertility is one of the most important tests used to evaluate a woman's reproductive potential. Anti-Mullerian hormone reflects the number of remaining eggs in the ovaries and helps doctors plan the right fertility treatment. I am Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Let's try to understand what AMH is and how do we use it to assess your fertility potential. Anti-Mullerian hormone is produced by the granulosa cells of small follicles in the ovaries. So it indicates the number of growing follicles and provides a clear idea of ovarian reserve. There is an important AMH test that is conducted to evaluate fertility potential, and it helps in assessing ovarian reserve, predicting response to fertility treatments, and it can guide IVF protocols in addition to identifying conditions like PCOS. What do these levels mean? High AMH means good ovarian reserve. It may also indicate PCOS. Normal AMH is a balanced fertility potential indicator. Low AMH could mean reduced ovarian reserve. AMH reflects egg quantity and not quality. AMH levels depend on age. 20 to 30 years woman will have a high AMH level, 30 to 35 moderate levels. More than 35 years, there will be a declining level. Age remains the most important factor affecting fertility and also AMH. Low AMH levels may reduce response to ovarian stimulation and lower pregnancy chances. However, women with low AMH can still conceive naturally or with treatment. So, how does AMH play a significant role in IVF planning? Well, it helps in deciding medication dosage, predicting ovarian response, reducing risk of OHSS, and a high AMH requires careful monitoring to avoid over response. AMH in PCOS is a very good indicator of how you will respond to fertility treatment. Women with PCOS often have very high AMH levels due to increased number of follicles. This helps in diagnosis and treatment planning. And when should you take this test? When you're planning pregnancy, facing infertility, before IVF treatment, before chemotherapy or surgery also. AMH can be done any day of your cycle. Therefore, don't wait for any particular day. But there are some limitations. It does not predict egg quality. It does not guarantee pregnancy. It should be combined with other tests like antral follicular count. Can you improve your AMH levels? AMH cannot be significantly increased, but fertility treatments can help you increase your pregnancy chances. Once the AMH levels decline, they begin to decline only. They cannot be increased because the number of eggs only give out the AMH, anti-Mullerian hormone, in your blood circulation. So it's not like new follicles can be created. Therefore, AMH levels, once they start to decline, they keep on reducing. If you wish to understand more, please feel free to contact us.